All right. Well, thank you very much, Daisy. And in studio, John from All Utah Plumbing, Heating and Air.
How's it going, Todd?
It's good. Merry
Hi,
Christmas.
everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, I wanted to say that to everyone too. Merry Christmas. And be safe and be warm.
And make sure you're warm. So what are you doing right now? What's going on with you guys right now?
Furnaces have just, here we go.
It's just, people have to freeze their butts off.
Yeah.
And then they call you. They could have called a month ago.
Yeah, and made it simple. We could have taken care of it. And that's kind of thing. The last couple of days we've been, saving a few people.
Right.
And some of it's really minor. I mean, minor.
Like a sensor or something like that
Yeah,
you're talking about.
like a flame sensor. That's
Right.
been common. So it can be real simple. We get there, we just fix that. There you go.
And then see-
And then we're like heroes.
Right.
And I'm like, but you suffered for a few hours before we could get there.
Right.
Anyway.
Well, our power went out yesterday and for 15, 18 hours.
Oh my
And
God.
it gets uncomfortable.
I'll be up to put in a generator.
There you go. That's right? So should we talk about the deal you have going on right now? Because I thought it was interesting. I thought it was
Right.
interesting the fact that you sell and install with your licensed insured people the furnace and the AC unit. The last thing I'm thinking about is AC now, but why?
Right. Well, we do the air conditioning because you got to cool down the people in your home when they get heated. No. Christmas,
Dinner table,
heated
Christmas
times.
dinner.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
right.
it. You're going to cool down.
Politics.
Yeah, that's no good.
Right.
Anyway, yes, the deal that we're doing is you buy a package. And so, yeah, you're not going to be using your air conditioner. That makes complete
But they work together.
sense. But they are together.
Right.
In the seasons, they work together. Right. So, you get a furnace. That's what you need now. Right. You're like, I need a furnace or want a furnace, whatnot.
Upgrade
to a better, more efficient type thing or something. But at any rate, the deal is you get $2,000 off when you buy a package. You buy them together.
Which makes sense.
Yeah. So that's a heck of a savings.
But
then, because you did the deal, you get an air scrubber, which cleans the air in your home. Sanitizes.
What could be better than that?
Nothing.
Right.
So it goes through the filter. After that, it's
Right.
killing mold,
Right.
different things. Well, that has an $1,100 value.
So that's
Come
a
on,
lot.
can you do the math?
No, I have dyslexia.
No, $3,200. So that's basically getting the furnace for free. I mean,
Yeah.
Or there you go. So that's the deal.
Not a real sexy Christmas present. But
I think it is. I do. Anyway. No, but here's what we want to also talk about.
Okay.
Is we're getting ready to have a whole bunch of people at our house. Most homes are going to have a whole bunch of people, family over, cooking food like crazy. Trust me, that's what I like. At any rate, you're cooking all the food. Well, you have to prep everything.
Right.
So, if you've ever watched like the Food Network, whatnot, so they're making the food and they're just as they peel the onion, they're putting it in a bag or a bowl or something. So my first recommendation is you're peeling the carrots and potatoes and sweet potatoes and all that. Just have a bowl that you're just putting those scraps in and just take it to the garbage. Just put it in the garbage instead of the disposal.
Because the disposal isn't made for avocado peels. Don't work, by the way. Not avocado.
The little nut, the seed that's in it.
Artichokes flooded my kitchen floor.
Yeah.
They're fibrous. So normally you're using your garbage disposal.
I'm going to interrupt you.
Go ahead.
For just the little bit of leftover pieces on your plate. It helps you get it ready, put it in the dishwasher, whatnot.
Right.
That's what it's for. But do you remember how I told you?
Shall we? I will demonstrate.
Actually feed a disposal.
Shall we? Let's do it together. It's like this.
I'm not doing it.
A thing like that. And then another one.
Yes, and then you go like this.
Right.
Anyway.
Instead of...
Yeah. Why didn't it work? So if it plugs, though, if you end up experiencing a plugged kitchen or even your tub.
Which is the worst during the holidays, by the way.
It is. Well, simply have a plunger.
Right.
Everyone should have a plunger in their home because sometimes gently
it
plunging it can free it up and then voila. The next thing that I'm going to recommend everyone to do is it's time to change those batteries in the thermostat, the carbon monoxide tester, the smoke alarms.
Right.
You know, check them, this, that, get that changed, and your furnace filter. Get your to-do list. So we're going to go over that again. Get your to-do list.
Get your paper and
ready
pencil.
to go. We'll give them a minute.
All right.
Christmas is coming.
Let's go.
Today. Anyway, I'm just kidding.
Okay, I think
Actually,
you're good. So we got the batteries,
Actually,
filters.
the whole Christmas thing is probably for my dad or when I was an apprentice.
Right.
You know, and so they'd be like, and I do it to my guys here and there.
Right.
You know, we'll go get that screwdriver or whatever. And then they'll be like, getting, you know, and I'm all, before Christmas. Today, you know, it would have been really funny. Oh, I just thought of this. My wife's going to kill me.
Oh, good.
I hope you're not watching. No. But, so when we get married, I was thinking of jokes.
Right.
That we could do, you know, down the aisle, so I'm there waiting, you know, because she chose me. You're insane, but you chose me. Thank you. Anyway, so I just thought of this, that whole Christmas thing. So, you know, it's all slow. It's like,
Right.
and you're standing there just, and that would have been good. Yeah.
Hey, lady.
I'd like to do this before Christmas. That would have been awesome. Anyway.
Thanks for coming by.
Thank you.
All right. And
I will see you soon.
We will be back, and there's more eggnog, more cholesterol and heart-stopping goodness, and that's coming up next.